welcome to my channel. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the different types of front-end developer jobs, from entry-level roles to senior positions. If you're looking to understand the career path in front-end development, this video is for you. Front-end development is all about creating what users see and interact with on websites and apps. It's a field that combines coding, design, and problem-solving to build user-friendly interfaces. But did you know there are many job titles within this field, each with its own responsibilities and required skills? Front-end development intern. As an intern, you'll learn on the job, contributing to real projects while being mentored by experienced developers. Expect to work on bug fixes, feature testing, and some documentation. Junior front-end developer. As a junior front-end developer, you'll work on basic website features under the guidance of senior developers. Key skills include HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript. Front-end web designer. Focused on the visual aspects of a website, a front-end web designer ensures that the site's layout, colors, and fonts look great and work well. You'll need a strong eye for design and skills in HTML, CSS. HTML, CSS developer. Specializing in the core technologies of the web, HTML, CSS developers focus on the structure and styling of web pages. Attention to detail and a solid understanding of responsive design are crucial here. Web production assistant. In this role, you'll support the development team by updating content, optimizing images, and maintaining the website. It's a great way to get hands-on experience in the workflow of web development. Once you've gained some experience, you can move into mid-level positions, where you'll take on more responsibility and complex projects. Front-end developer. A front-end developer at this level is skilled in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'll be responsible for turning designs into interactive websites, ensuring everything works smoothly across different devices. UI developer. UI developers bridge the gap between design and coding. You'll focus on creating visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces, so design skills and knowledge of UX principles are important. JavaScript developer. Specializing in JavaScript, these developers work on dynamic and interactive elements of websites. Skills in frameworks like React or Angular are highly valuable. Front-end engineer. Front-end engineers focus on the technical side of development, optimizing performance and integrating with back-end systems. A deep understanding of front-end architecture and coding best practices is key. Senior level roles involve leadership and more strategic responsibilities. Let's look at a few examples. Senior front-end developer. With years of experience, senior front-end developers lead projects and mentor junior developers. Expertise in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Angular is expected. Front-end architect. Front-end architects focus on the overall structure and long-term vision of front-end code bases. You'll design scalable and maintainable systems, making key technical decisions. Director of front-end development. This role involves setting the technical direction for the front-end team, ensuring quality, and aligning development with business goals. Strong strategic and leadership skills are required. To advance in front-end development, focus on mastering advanced frameworks like React or Angular, improving your design and UX skills, optimizing web performance, and developing your project management abilities. Contributing to open-source projects and communicating effectively with stakeholders can also boost your career. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Part 3 is coming.